What's up, YouTube? Look what we got here. I'm here at my sale today, doing a little sale. I just thought I would share this with you. Old power implements. Mach number 692348. Dairy Productions products, not productions, products. Yeah, old machine. I got this from the original owner's nephew, and he said it was around 80, 90 years old when he got it. But isn't that cool? Yeah, that old motor, I don't even know if it could be saved. It is locked up. Pulleys are rusted out, but it still rolls. See? Yeah, that part right there used to be on the front of it, and this was used for bushwhacking, running over tall weeds and stuff. That's the handle right there. Okay guys, see you later.